Tiger Shark, read by Robert White. Hello question. What made the tiger an extinct animal? Tiger shark has long, four-legged sharks. Tiger sharks have only copy pouch. Tiger shark has slippery jaws. Tiger sharks have bushy noses. Tiger sharks have lonely mouths. Tiger sharks have 8 feet. Tiger sharks have little hair. Tiger sharks have white eyes. Tiger has a sharp chin. Tiger shark has gone to eat three animals.